Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into Bumble app. For that you need to open your Bumble app, and now you need to tap on create an account, and now you have to give them your number and they will send you a verification code on your phone number. You just have to check your message box if you have received your code, and then tap on this button after entering, and you can create your passkey. And for now I'm just skipping it, and you have to give them your location, and now you have to enter your first name and then your date of birth. And now after that you need to write your email over here and tap on next button, and you need to tell them what brings you here. You need to tell them who you want to meet, and now you have to tell them what you are hoping to find, and then go on next button, and you need to enter your height, and then tap on next button, and you have to choose 5 things that you are really into, and you can simply skip it and skip everything for now. And you have to enter about yourself, and that is how you can sign up into your Bumble. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.